New Year's is right around the corner.
Yep.
Exciting. And we're looking to celebrate with Teetotaler Wine, a sparkling rosé that we're going to hopefully enjoy for the new year. Let's give it a shot. What do you know about these guys? Anything?
No.
Yeah.
I know that it's a sparkling rosé. That's one of my favorite things to drink. So hopefully it holds up compared to my favorite, which is Joyous. And if not, I have all the bitters over here to help it. They have a new experimental series, which is, I've been enjoying their barrel-aged New Orleans bitters. Woo!
So that cork literally just popped out on its own. So be careful of that. When you pull off the wire cage, it could just pop the cork by itself. That's highly unusual, even potentially dangerous, but hey, let's give this a shot. I've never had that happen in any champagne I've ever poured. Lots of nice bubbles.
Kind of a peachy color.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
It's sweet, dry, acidic.
Melon. It's fruity. It is on the sweet side. It's tasty. I'm actually surprised. It's not as good as Joyous. But let's try it with food.
We've done their red, and we did the previous one. They're both tortilla.
Oh, tortilla?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the same company?
Yeah.
Oh, well, this is a much better rosé than their other one.
Much better.
Yeah, I like that. I mean, I'm still gonna
Far superior.
jazz it up because that's what I do. Yeah,
Sparkling
I needed that.
Rosé.
That's good. I like that a lot more now. Yeah, I would give this a good 7.5 to 8, something like that.
Yeah, when you throw in all the bitters, it's technically on the way to like a Kir or Kir Royale, which is it's a nice way though to enjoy your sparkling wine.
Or anything really. It just adds a little bit more, depth of flavor, and I like it. Dry January is right around the corner, and if you haven't heard, it is the month to detoxify yourself if you so choose. As a 31-day challenge, you can, completely abstain from alcohol. You can cut back from alcohol. There's lots of options now in case you miss your drink.
Yeah, there's so many great options, and you're not going to feel left out or anything from the fun when you consider some of these amazing non-alcoholic options that are out there today.
Yeah.
It'll also be a lot less hangovers. You'll feel better. You'll be able to enjoy your friends a little bit more consciously. Anyways, this is a great little wine. How much was this?
I think it's around the $20 range.
Okay.
So not inexpensive, but not as, I don't think it's as expensive as Joyous, which is around $25, $26.
Okay.
I like it.
Yeah.
I think this would make a good brunch addition.
Especially with some nice fruit. It's the New Year's. We hope you have a great time out there. Stay safe, and don't forget to give your designated driver something tasty to drink.
Or yourself.
Or yourself.